Today we will complete chapter 17.3. The title it will be Drift Velocity and Speed of the Electric Field. Let us explain first the title. What do we mean by drift velocity? If you are doing drifting by the car, that I mean, what you are doing if we have certain car and the car is doing drifting, can you tell me what the car will do when it is doing drifting? It is changing its direction. Excellent. It's changing its direction. It change the direction. And what else? It is moving slowly or fast. When you have someone doing drifting by the car, he is moving slowly or fast? He is moving slowly. And it changing the direction continuous. Yes. Do you think if you have something moving slowly and all of the time it's changing its direction, it is moving in a straight line? Yes or no? Or zigzag pathway? Excellent. It will be zigzag pathway. Okay? Zigzag pathway. So there will be many collision or there will not be any collision. You are moving in zigzag. Say that you and your friend are moving in zigzag. There will be hitting. You will hit your friend and your friend will hit you. Yes or no? There will be many collisions. So when we have drifting, now I'm explaining just the title. The word drift. What do we mean by drift? Drift, it means that you have something moving slowly, it's changing its direction, zigzag pathway, and also what there will be many collision. Okay, what I explained now, it is about the motion of the electric charge inside a wire. If we have certain wire, we explained before the conductors, we have the electrons. We explained last period that we have three type of charge carrier. We have negative, it is inside what who listened and study. Yes, the negative, it is inside the metal or conductors, and we have positive in the nuclear reaction, and we have positive and negative in electrolysis or salt, dissolved salt and gases. Excellent. If we have conductors, so the charge carriers inside it is about what? Negative or positive? Excellent. Negative charge. The movement of the charge carriers, the electron inside a conductors, what I mean by conductors? Wires. Inside a wires looks like the drifting of the car. So the movement of the charge carrier or the electrons in conductors or wire, if you want to explain it, it is about slow movement and it is changing in the direction. It is zigzag pathway. So the motion here, we can write all of them to memorize. Slow, it change the direction, and what else? Change the direction, and there is many collisions, and what? Slow, change direction, many collision, and zigzag pathway. This one, the movement of the charge carrier inside the wires. Here you have to ask yourself one question here. How I turn on the light? Just if you have the light, turn it off, and you will turn it on once. The light will come quickly or it takes time to come? It comes very quickly. Okay, teacher, how the light will come quickly when I'll turn it on, when I'll open my phone, when I'll open the TV, just I'll press on the power and it will work. When I have a certain device, the microwave, the kitchen machine, any device in our home, the heater, the boiler, how you will turn them on and they will work quickly, and you are telling me now that the electrons inside the conductors are moving slowly. What does it mean? Before I'll answer you, I'll explain one example. If we have turtle, all of us know that the turtle is moving fast or slowly? Turtle, moving fast or slowly? Moving slowly. Excellent. What can let this turtle move fast? If you have turtle and it's nature to move slowly, yes or no? طيب, okay, I ask you that I have turtle and I want you to let it move fast. What you will do in this turtle? You will push it to move. You will apply force on it. So when you will apply force on the turtle will do what? Will move fast and its speed will increase. Excellent. Okay, if we have car moving slowly and you want this car to move fast, what you will do? You will press on the fuel more. You will burn more fuel and the car will move fast. So when you are burning more fuel, you will press on the benzene in the car. So you are doing what? You are applying force. Excellent. Let us recall our idea that charge carriers inside the conductor or inside the wire, they are moving slowly. But I'll turn on the light, it will come quickly. I will open my TV, it will turn on quickly. I will open the microwave, it will turn on quickly. So what you can predict here? Excellent, excellent. There is a force push the charge carriers inside the wire very strong and very quickly, so the light will come fast. So when we are turning on the light and it will be turned on fast, not due to the speed of the charge carrier, it is due to what? The force applied on the charge carrier. And the force applied on the charge carrier, it is what? The electric field. So here we have two things that you have to know. We have speed of charge carriers. So charge carriers, of course, in conductor, they are what? They are carriers. They are the electrons inside a conductors. Yes? And we have speed of the force that push or that let the electrons to move fast. Okay, what is the difference between both? The speed of the charge carrier, fast or slowly? Fast or slowly? Excellent. It is slowly. It is slow. And the speed of the force that push the charge carriers to move, that's called the electric field, it is what? Fast. Excellent. The slow speed, we call it drift speed. Of course, you can use both terms. You can use speed or you can use velocity. But the speed of the force that push the charge carrier to move, or we can say here I can write the electric field or the speed of the electric field, it is what? Fast speed. Do you understand it? I will revise and I will add some details, okay? So here, our main idea here, it is about a term called drift velocity. Drift velocity itself, before explain anything, drift velocity, when you are doing drifting, it means that you are changing your direction quickly and you have many collision, you are moving slowly and you are moving in zigzag pathway, okay? How the charge carriers move inside the wire? They move with drift velocity, or you can say drift speed. Done? So, when I'll turn on the light and it will come up quickly, this turning on quickly due to the speed of the charge carrier? No, it will be due to the force that push the charge carriers to move. This force, it is force of electric field, and it is equal to the speed of light. The speed of the electric field, it is equal to the speed of the electric field speed equal to speed of light. That's equal to how much? Yes, girls? Yes, 3 times 10 power 8 meter per second. Do you understand? But the drift velocity, it is very small velocity. So here let us read the presentation together. Here, drift velocity, what do you have here? What do you have here? The charge carrier. The charge carriers, they are moving what? How? Zigzag pathway. There is what? Many collision between them. If you will observe the directions, they are changing the direction, different direction. What pushes this charge carrier to move? It is force of the electric field. Whatever the term that you will use, drift velocity or drift speed, it will be same. Okay girls, here you will find that the drift velocity just they use net velocity of a charge to move. Drift speed طبعا it will be same, meaning they mean by the changing the two term here to tell you that which word you will use, it is same. Okay, done. It is very easy idea. Okay, we will complete.